Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you WeirdWealth remote work side hustle site. So you might be wondering, what is this WeirdWealth remote work website that you may be hearing online? Well, in this case, WeirdWealth is a website that presents itself as a platform for discovering remote work opportunities and creative ways to make money online. Now, the homepage includes messages about working remotely, becoming your own boss, and paying off bills, along with a button labeled as check out our real site. However, the website itself doesn't contain job listings, career resources here, or detailed guides. Now, instead, or funnily enough here, it redirects to a different website here. So it's up to you if you really want to access the website. So when you click the main button here, the website redirects to what we call Fetish Finder. Now, specifically, its seller page. Now, in this case, this website is an adult marketplace where verified creators can sell photos, videos, custom content, and other adult-oriented items to buyers. Now, this means that the remote earning opportunity promoted before is centered around creating and selling these type of contents rather than traditional remote jobs or freelance work. Now, according to the website itself, well, in this case, sellers first create an account, a complete identity, and age verification, and build a creator profile. Now, after verification, they can upload photos, videos, create content bundles, and offer custom requests, communicate with buyers, and receive payments through the platform. Now, the site states that creators keep 85% of each sale on standard plan or 90% with the premium plan here, with weekly payout available. Now, that's according to the website. Now, using the platform is fairly straightforward. You begin by visiting their website, then click the button. So before, like what we see in WeirdWealth, you just click the button and redirects you to the official website. Now, on the seller page here, create your account, complete the core verification process, build your profile, upload your content, set your pricing, and publish your listings. Now, once your profile is live, buyers can browse your content, place orders, send messages, or purchase custom requests directly through the marketplace. But yeah. So overall, WeirdWealth here functions more as a referral or a landing page than a complete remote work platform here. But if you're going to think about it, it is kind of remote work. But then again, it's up to you if you want to try it. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.